Welcome friends, welcome to the channel of Ripple's Nature Inspired Aquarium. This is Gautam Gupta. We have been receiving a lot of requests of doing product reviews and product unboxing. We started doing that with the 2-hour Aquarist fertilizer product, and this time we wanted to do the review of, I think, one of the most important part of an aquarium, that is the filter. So এই ভিডিওটাতে আমরা ফিল্টারের উপরে কথা বলবো, এক্সটার্নাল ক্যানিস্টার ফিল্টার, তাদের ইম্পর্টেন্স কি, একটা ভালো ফিল্টারের ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক কি, অ্যান্ড আমরা কথা বলবো, উইল স্পিক অ্যাবাউট দিস নিউ kid in the block or নতুন filter in the market, the new filter in the market, Aquael Ultramax from Poland. Before we discuss further about the Aquael filter range, I would like to spend 2 minutes to describe or explain why it is important to have a canister filter. আমার কাছে অ্যাকোয়ারিয়ামের ফিল্টার হচ্ছে অ্যাকোয়ারিয়ামের হার্ট. The filter is the heart of the aquarium. So for human body, our heart is one of the most important organ. কেন? Because heart পুরো ব্লাডটা আমাদের বডির ভিতরে সার্কুলেট করছে. সিমিলারলি একটা অ্যাকোয়ারিয়ামের ওয়াটার সার্কুলেশনটা মেনটেন করে একটা ক্যানিস্টার ফিল্টার. বাট সেটাই কি সব? ইজ অনলি মেনটেনিং ওয়াটার ফ্লো the job of a canister filter? No. I think the most important part is to keep the water clean and healthy. এখানে আমি অনেককে ভাবতে দেখেছি যে ফিল্টারের কাজ জলকে ক্লিন করা, and তাই জন্য having some filter is good enough. No. একটা ফিল্টার লাগালে জল ক্লিন থাকবে না, বিকজ একটা ফিল্টারে যদি শুধু স্পঞ্জ থাকে, then it will do a mechanical filtration. It will take away the dust from the water, or the visible impurities from the water. But what about the impurity that is mixed in the water? I am talking about the nitrates, the ammonia, the nitrites in the water. সেটা কিন্তু mechanical filtration দিয়ে হয় না. So in the filter houses a lot of biological media. So একটা ভালো ফিল্টারের characteristic হওয়া উচিত how much biological media it's able to house. কারণ যত biological media থাকবে, the more the biological media, the more the beneficial bacteria, and that the bacteria helps in cleaning the water. The bacteria helps to take out the nitrate, the ammonia from the aquarium water. So external canister filter has two of the main advantages of having an external canister filter: having a good flow, it provides a good flow, and second, and most importantly, it helps in housing a lot of beneficial bacteria within its filter media, the media that it carries. So canister filter flow that are biological media house করতে সাহায্য করে, যেটা আমাদের ট্যাঙ্কের বা অ্যাকোয়ারিয়ামের ওয়াটারকে ঠিক রাখে. Before I unbox the Aquael filter, I wanted to spend some time on how do you choose a good filter? একটা ভালো ফিল্টার আমি কি করে চুজ করব? বাজারে there are lot many models in the market. So how do I choose a good filter? I think the first thing that one should look as an aquarist is that whether the brand is giving you warranty or not. প্রথম দেখতে হবে ওয়ারেন্টি দিচ্ছে কি. For example, Aquael comes with a 2-year warranty. Okay, and there is a company support for any spare part. বাজারে spare part পাওয়া যাচ্ছে কিনা? Are you getting the spare parts in the market? That's the other thing that one should look for. Apart from that, warranty এবং spare parts এই দুটোকে যদি আমি বাদ দিই, I think in the age of we are all thinking about environment, pollution and all, we must see whether the filter is green or not. By green, what I mean is that how much energy is it consuming. Amra nature aquarium porchi, we are talking about nature. So, what is the energy efficiency of the filter? That's, I think, by far the most important thing. While this video is not about, comparing various models, but just as an example, Sansan 303 is quite popular model among the hobbyists. And Sansan 303 gives a flow of about 1400 liters per hour. Parallelly, আমরা যদি Aquael কে compare করি, if we compare Aquael Ultramax, then the model that comes close to Sansan 303 is Aquael Ultramax 1500. 1500 gives you a flow of 1500 liters per hour. 303 gives you a flow of 1400 liters per hour. But what is more important, I think most important, is to give 1400 liters per hour, 303 consumes 35 watts of power. While to give you 1500 liters per hour flow, Aquael consumes only 15 watt of power. So Sansan যেখানে 35 watt power consume করছে to give 1400 liters, Aquael Ultramax 1500 is only consuming 15 watts. And there is a 20 watt power cell. I think that's quite a lot of power cell. Okay, so please look into these before you buy your next filter. Is it, I'll repeat once more, is it giving you warranty? Filter ta warranty দিচ্ছে কি? Is the filter giving, the manufacturer giving you spare parts? Are the spare parts easily available in the market? That's the second thing that one must look at. Spare parts market easily পাওয়া যাচ্ছে কিনা? And third and most important, what is the energy efficiency of the filter? Okay, I think look into these three aspects before you decide to buy your next external canister filter. Aquael, I don't think is that well known in India. Okay, I think we have many popular brands like Eheim, Sansan, Fluval, but Aquael is it's made in Poland. It's an European company. This company was formed in the year 1984. So Aquael 1984 এ প্রতিষ্ঠিত হয়েছিল. That means at a 36-year-old company. মানে it's a quite old company, and it has got a strong lineage of innovation. The Aquael Ultramax series that we are talking about, this series was launched in the year 2018. 2018 এ Ultramax series launch হয়েছে. That means almost 3-4 years in the market now. It's a version 2 of the Aquael series that is available in the market, and it's quite a stable product. Aquael Poland দুটো factory আছে. They have 2 factories, one in Warsaw and another in city by the name Suwałki. The Suwałki facility is by far the largest. It's about, it's quite large, about 16,000 square meter of floor area, if I remember correctly. So I just thought that I'll speak a few words about Aquael as a company before we get into the filters themselves. Aquael Ultramax comes in 3 models: the Aquael 1000, Aquael 1500, and Aquael 2000. Okay, 1000 gives you a maximum flow rate of 1000 liters per hour. 1500 gives you a 1500 liters per hour flow rate, and 2000 gives you a 2000 liters per hour flow rate. From the volume wise, while the company says that Ultramax 1000 can support up to 350 liters of aquarium, Aquael 1000 up to 350 liter aquarium ke support korte pare. But to my mind, Aquael 1000 should be ideally used maximum for a 2.5 feet filter. Okay, so আপনারা Aquael 1000 কে up to 2.5 feet of the aquarium এর জন্য use করতে পারেন. Similarly, Aquael 1500 should ideally be used up to a 4 feet filter in my opinion, and anything above 4 feet, 4 feet এর উপর যে কোনো aquarium এর জন্য Aquael 2000 is a better choice. How I come to this, what is my thumb rule? I consider that an ideal flow rate of any filter for an aquarium should be 5 to 6 times the volume of water. So আপনার যদি একটা 100 লিটারের aquarium থাকে, you should have a filter which gives you about 500 to 600 liters per hour flow rate. One thing that must be kept in mind, that any filter manufacturer, Aquael included, when they talk about their flow rate, say 1000 liters per hour, that's without the filter media. So filter media যখনই আমরা aquarium filter-এর মধ্যে দিয়ে দেবো, ফ্লোটা কিন্তু কমে যাবে. So typically you should, for a good filter brand like Aquael, I think you should consider 60% to 70% of the declared capacity. সেইভাবে we can calculate that which filter is best suited for which size of aquarium. Few other points. I think we'll do a detailed unboxing. But Aquael filter comes with a very innovative priming mechanism. Okay, I'll show it to you, like when we actually use the filter. It has got all the filters have got significantly large media carrying capacity. যেটা I told in the beginning, and প্রথমেই বলেছি যে the filter এর main কাজ biological filtration, and to get biological filtration you must get more media. তার মানে যত মিডিয়া বাড়বে তত biological filtration বাড়বে, and সেদিক থেকে দেখতে গেলে Aquael is giving you a lot of filter media capacity. So let's say this 1000 is giving you about 11 liters media capacity, and 2000 gives you about 14 liters media capacity. That's quite a lot. That's quite a lot. That's I think is wattage wise. I already I think what is the wattage of the power efficiency is something that I stressed upon. This 1000, I think it gives you at a 10 watt power. This one 1500 is operating at about 15 watt power. I think 2000 is about around 24 watts of power is what the pump consumes. I think that's fantastic for this kind of flow rate. So let us start the unboxing. Unboxing টা শুরু করা যাক. প্রথম যেটা দেখে নেওয়া দরকার, the first thing that one should see is this warranty card. Before you purchase, see whether the card is there, and definitely get it stamped by the dealer from whomsoever you purchase this. যখনই কেনার আগে এই ওয়ারেন্টি কার্ডটা অবশ্যই সাইন করিয়ে নেবেন. Then we have this literature which explains how the filter has to be set. Quite detailed, a simple graphical description. Everybody should find it quite easy. Anyway, I will show the steps in any case. Then this is the box which is carrying all the spare parts and the ancillaries which is needed for the filter. And here is the filter proper. Ultramax 1500, and as a part of this complete unboxing in this aquarium, we are going to change the existing filter and put in the Ultramax. Before we do that, a few points. One thing I really liked is that the filter is very nicely packed, wrapped around. So it also proves that whether a filter is used or not used. So আপনারা যদি ফিল্টারটা কিনতে চান দেখে নেবেন যে র্যাপিংটা আছে কিনা. র্যাপিংটা থাকা মানে the filter has not been used. It's a brand new filter. Okay. But before I open up the filter, let's look at the spares or the accessories. The inflow and the outflow are separate. এটা মাথায় রাখতে হবে. We must keep in mind that the inflow and outflow are not interchangeable. Okay. Nice, clear hose, good quality, quite soft. Both inflow and outflow are 17 mm. Okay. Unlike other filters where inflow and outflow typically are of different sizes. Okay. আরেকটা জিনিস খুব ইন্টারেস্টিং লাগলো যেটা আমি আগে কোনো ফিল্টারে দেখিনি. I have not seen this kind of a inflow, in any of the filter models that I have used so far. Normally the inflow is also cylindrical with the slits cut. This looks like a paint brush. I'm not too sure why they have designed it like this, but I'm sure, definitely, knowing AquaOil, there must be a technical reason behind this, so I will try to find it out. Else, everything is quite standard accessory that comes with almost all filters. Yes. Let's start the taking out the filter itself. I think that's what we are all waiting for. The filter has got a very nice black body, shiny body. Okay, looks and feels sturdy, quite sturdy. You can see the AquaOil logo embossed. It gives a feel of premiumness. Okay, quite heavy also. Okay, and it's quite apparent that it's a very well-built European design. You know, that's typical of any European product. Okay, like all filters, there are 4 locks. Actually, there are 8 locks. I'll show you. So first is this set. You can hear the sound also. Quite, you know, I'll try to fix it again. That sound is so powerful. You know, it gives that. I was talking about the sturdiness. You know, you can hear the sound. And then there is another set of lock. Why there are 2 sets, I'll explain later. মানে দুটো করে সেট কেন দিয়েছে সেটা পরে বোঝাবো, তার আগে এটাকে আমরা খুলে নিই। This is the head. Okay. One thing I really liked about this, you can place the head in any direction. Okay, I can place it like this, I can place it like this. Okay, see, মানে অনেক ব্র্যান্ডে যেটা হয়, you have to be careful in which direction to, you know, front, side, back and all. It's simple, you know, you can place it in any direction. Next, the filter, the main flow is a very well constructed thought. The water is going in this way, জলটা এদিক দিয়ে যাবে এবং ভেতর থেকে it will come out like this. Okay, so water will flow in like this and it will come out like this. So what happens, there is a uniform flow, so the entire media, water will flow through the complete media. There is, you know, there will be no pathways created. Okay, that's a sign of a good design. There are 4 boxes, ভেতরে 4টে বক্স আছে. So these are the 4 baskets. Okay, the coarse filter sponge also is quite good, you know, nice thick sponge. Let me put them in. I kept the best for the last. Okay, AquaOil filters, the Ultra Max series, is now coming with a pre-filter. Okay, here is the pre-filter chamber. So this is the first set of lock. As I said, there are two sets of lock. Okay, but definitely you have to take out the first set. Okay, once you have taken out, here is the pre-filter chamber. See, সহজে বেরিয়ে আসছে। প্রি-ফিল্টারটা ভেতরে রাখলাম, বের করে নিলাম। This is very important. এটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। কেন? So if I want to clean the filter, I don't have to take the complete thing out. Okay, just take out the first set of lock, take out the pre-filter, clean it and put it back. I think this is a great design, great innovation. Even Oase is also coming with similar design, but the Oase pre-filters are cylindrical. This is simple, squarish. Okay, coarse, and the sponge also quite coarse, which is what is required for a pre-filter sponge. The pre-filter I showed, quite an unique feature. The other very unique feature is its priming mechanism. Normally you have a knob like this in other filters. একটা অন্যান্য ফিল্টারে দেখা যায় there is a knob, you keep on pressing, okay? এটাতে এসব কিছু করার দরকার নেই, you don't need to do anything like that, okay? You simply pull out the priming mechanism, very smooth, it gets in, it gets locked, and just you pull out. After you pull out, the only thing that you have to do is that, tilt the entire filter about 30 degrees. Automatically the water will start filling in, okay? But remember, you should not put the filter in a power on mode when you prime it, okay? So that is all that is there in the filter. Now we are going to fix it here, okay? We'll show you how it is actually fixed in the aquarium, and then we'll run it. So we'll fit the filter now. Couple of things before I do that. Filter fit করার আগে কয়েকটা জিনিস। As a best practice, we have a Eheim 2217 that is running here. We will use that filter media in this filter, okay? Because it's already aged, it has got a lot of bacteria. But if you are setting the filter for the first time, use a good biological media. I think one of the best biological media, this is ADA BioRio. This is what we use. And also this Bacter ball, the ADA Bacter ball, it has got about 100 different types of beneficial bacteria. এটা ট্যাঙ্কটাকে সেট করতে সাহায্য করবে, মানে because you are setting it up for the first time, this bacteria will help to age the filter media quicker and faster, okay? I missed out one more thing. For the first time you will need a screwdriver to set this priming mechanism, okay? There is a little bit of lock here, so first time you have to just unlock it, okay? This is only for the first time. After that it's a smooth and easy process. Just pull it out and push it back in. But again, repeating, you don't have to do it, you just have to tilt the filter. I'll show it here, and the water will automatically fill in. I will request Shoikat, why don't you come? So Shoikat will be helping me with the filter. We are changing this Eheim filter because I think you can hear, আপনারা তো শুনতে পাচ্ছেন that rotor is making some noise. আমরা ফিল্টারটা more than 3 years use করেছি, so we thought let's take this opportunity to change this old filter and put in the brand new AquaL Ultra Max 1500. So the filter has been set now. The flow is definitely quite good. You can see the ripples on the surface. We kept the outflow like that so that the ripples can be seen. Okay, but one thing which I didn't like, I wish they had not used this black inflow and outflow pipes. মানে এই ব্ল্যাক পাইপটা আমার খুব একটা ভালো লাগছে না ফর এ প্লান্টেড ট্যাঙ্ক, বাট যদি আমরা এটা দেখি, if we see that the white inflow actually is functionally good, so it will be able to draw in more dirt and more water, okay? But definitely for a planted tank this will look very odd, and we will have to change to the glass pipes, okay? Other than that, the filter has, is quite no noise as such, so the filter is working pretty well, absolutely noiseless. So I think good job done. Let's see how it works for the next couple of days. Is there any other problem? We'll keep updating. The setup has been completed. We sincerely hope that you have liked the video. আপনাদের আশা করি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগেছে। যদি কোনো সাজেশনস থাকে বা কোনো কমেন্টস থাকে, if you have any suggestions or any comments, do write down in the comment section. And it would mean a lot to us if you can subscribe to our channel Ripples Nature Aquarium. That would encourage us to do more such videos and spread the knowledge. Okay, with that, thank you and goodbye, and see you again in our next video.